Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a cameo. Here I have a cameo which I've begun to wire wrap with wire such as this. I also have needle nose pliers and wire cutters. So I am going to take the wire, which I've already begun to put a little spiral on, and I'm going to make it come around the side like this, and I'm going to bend it with my needle nose pliers so that it will come around the side of the cameo and hold on to it like this. And then I'm going to come around the other side and do a spiral that I'm going to bend around as well. So I'm going to snap this off here. You want to hold the wire down so it doesn't go flying when you cut it. And then I'm going to make that spiral, so I'm going to just slide this out here. And I'm going to bend that up so that I can tuck it around the front of this. So I'm going to tuck that over here. And then just pull this up where I want it, bend it into place, just adjust it a little bit. And just play around with it till you get it where you want it. And that's how you can wire wrap a cameo. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.